everyone, welcome to this SOLIDWORKS tutorial. Today we're performing a static simulation analysis on a CAD arm as a part of case study 1 from our SOLIDWORKS simulation exercise. We'll follow step-by-step instruction to analyze how the CAD arm reacts under 300 force, determine its maximum stress and displacement, and ensure the design is strong enough. First, let's open our CAD-CAM arm file. Simply go to File, Open, navigate your project folder and select the CAD-CAM arm part. Click Open. To run static analysis, we need to enable SOLIDWORKS Simulation. If you don't see the Simulation tab, go to Tools and Simulation Add-ins. Check SOLIDWORKS Simulation and click OK. Now go to Simulation tab, click New Study and select Static Study from the list. OK. We need to fix a part of the CAD so it doesn't move. In the simulation tree, right-click on Fixture and choose Fixed Geometry. Select the face where the CAD is attached to another part or a surface and in here and OK. Next, we apply 300 force to simulate real-world loading conditions. Right-click External Load and Force. Select the surface where the force will be applied. In here. And here. And here. And here. And here. Set the force value to 300. And ensure it's applied in the correct direction. Click OK to apply the force. Now let's assign the correct material to the CAD. Right-click on the CAD arm in the simulation tree and select Apply Edit Material. And the material library shows SI 300 for stainless steel. Click Apply, then Close. This ensures our simulation uses the right mechanical properties. Now let's generate a mesh. Right-click Mesh and select Create Mesh and adjust the settings. Set global element size to 300 millimeters and set tolerance to 0.15 millimeters. Click OK to generate the mesh. A finer mesh improves accuracy but increases processing time. Now our model is ready for simulation. Everything is set. Now click the Run button to start the simulation. SOLIDWORKS will calculate the result based on the applied force and constraints. This process may take a few seconds or minutes depending on your computer performance. To view stress levels, right-click Results. Select Define Stress Plot and choose von Mises stress. This hides this stress areas in the clamp. Write down the maximum stress value in MPa and with 5 decimal places. Okay. To see how much the clamp deforms, right-click Results. Select Define Displacement Plot. Check in the maximum displacement value in inch. With 3 decimal places. And okay. And that's it. We successfully ran a static simulation on our clamp arm and analyzed its stress and displacement. To summarize, we created a static study, applied boundary conditions, defined material properties, generated a mesh for accuracy, ran the simulation and analyzed results. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop comment if you have any questions. Stay tuned for more SOLIDWORKS tutorials. See you in the next video.